Guys, how do you love your French toast? So many ways of doing this, but I've discovered a new one and I need to share with you. And so, hello everyone. Welcome back to Mama Jaden's Kitchenette and Lifestyle. As usual, your girl, mom of two, wife to one, queen of recipes, as I always say. She's about to grace your amazing space with mautamu. Ushaisikia utamu wewe? Utamu, hebu toka uko na maanisha utamu wa chakula. And so guys, definitely when you see me roaming around this spot, it just means a recipe is about to pop and that a recipe is about to go down, guys. And so stay tuned. Let's make this French toast together because at least I've tried to make a complete meal. The recipes are here with me. You'll get them in the description box. We are saving on time. So that is what we have, and in the next 10 minutes we shall be enjoying our amazing French toast. So on to the first step. Trying to come up with cubes. The cubes are here with me. Step. So in this, I'm adding a pinch of salt. You make things salty to your preference. The eggs are okay. I'm going to add these vegetables in here. Here are our cubes. We want to mix these things from this container over here. So let's mix them properly. They already look edible even before we cook them. So with this, we need very low heat, very low. Onto our pan, we add unsalted butter. Then we add our mixture. We try and come up with something shapely. So that's what I'm doing now. So we are going to cover this on low heat and let it cook for 5 minutes. So let's cover it. Low heat. We give it 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, five minutes of cooking the other side. So it's almost ready. A bit of tomato sauce. Then we sprinkle a bit of Mozerella cheese. Let's cover a little bit for it to melt. Yeah, it's melted now. Then we garnish with a little bit of coriander. There I have my French toast. Hey, pizza at home, French toast at home. Can't wait to dig in, I can't wait to dig in. And so guys, that is it about my French toast. It's giving me an imagination of pizza. So guys, that has been it about making a French toast. It's that easy. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and like this video, share, comment, so that we can help this channel to grow. Until we meet on the next one. Bye guys. With this one, let him test so that he can give us feedback on how things are. Nita.
Unasikia kwa mayai na hizi vitu zingine bado ziko tu fresh green hivyo. Ni crunch. Pizza at home, buy one get two free. Mpishi akula chakula chake. Wasikiaje mwenzangu?
Under the taste of vegetables. Kazi sama ni mkate.
Sasa utakuwa unatupikia pizza. Je, Puma?
Tamu.
Ni tamu je?